If you've added stands to a job, then you're going to see a new select field on your ticket called stand. This will also be available in the mobile app. When you select a job in the mobile app, the user is then going to be presented with a list of stands for that job, and they'll have to select a stand before they can create any new loads. And on this side, let's create a ticket. And we're going to select one of the two stands we just created. And that's all we need to do. So this is going to give us our stand here on the ticket. Okay, we're going to create one more load now, but this one we're going to use the other stand, and everything will be the same. Okay, there's a new interesting feature with this. Notice our landowner is AAA, not to be confused with stand AAA. But if we go to our vendors and we go into AAA vendor and we go to edit this vendor, there's a new feature to settle each stand on a separate statement. What this is going to do is if you want this vendor to have a separate statement for every stand that we've entered, then you can select this option, and even when you select all the tickets for the job for the week, it'll actually automatically create separate stands for you. So let's click save there, and now we can go back to our tickets. Here's our two tickets. These are both separate stands. We're going to create these. So notice that there's just one vendor and we have two tickets, but on separate stands. Now we're going to create these statements. And now notice we have two statements that are generated. And if we open both of these up, I'm going to do this in separate tabs. Notice here's stand BBB, and here's stand AAA. So that'll be a really convenient feature for you to settle these stands. If you always want them showing up on a different statement for a landowner, you don't have to worry about manually separating those tickets and splitting them up.